Rondejam and lair versus rondejam parterre. Welcome to another Ballet For All tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about rondejam. You're going to learn the difference between en lair and parterre and some tips that are going to help you to improve both. So say that, let's get to it. Meaning of rondejam in ballet. It means round of legs or circular movement of legs. Now, as I said in the title, it can be done en lair and parterre. En lair means in the air and parterre means on the ground, but it can also be done on the hors and on the dan. But we will get to that later. Let's begin by rondejam parterre. It can begin from any basic position of feet. This time, let's do it from first position. When doing a rondejam parterre, the dancer is expected to open the leg in front, pointing the toes fully, but without lifting out of the ground. Then it continues by doing a circular movement of the leg, passing through a Batman tendu to the side, keeping a turnout the entire time, finishing back to a tendu, and then brushing back to the initial position. This movement that we just did now, it's under, which means away from the supporting leg. Now we can also do it on the dan, and the movement is going to be the same, but an opposite motion. So we begin from the back. Heels stay facing forward the entire time. We pass through a tendu or a second, continue ending in a tendu devant and closing back to the basic position. And this one is on the dan, which means towards the supporting leg. Here, something that you must avoid is extra movements of your hips. Your hips are going to stay level, square and facing forward the entire time. What do I mean by this? We are going to avoid doing this. Now, rondejam parterre can be done with demi-plie. It can be done double, which means in one count we are going to do 2 full rondejam. If you have any questions on how to do rondejam parterre, just leave it down below in the comments and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Let's move forward now to rondejam en lair. En lair means in the air, right? So that's already telling you that your leg is going to lift up in the air. When we do rondejam en lair, your leg is going to lift 45 degrees off the ground. We are going to enter in a straight line towards your calves and opening by doing a small circle with your toes, returning back to a la seconde. Now the movement is happening from the knee down. Your knee is never gonna move. It's going to stay hold, not moving, and just your feet move and your toes. As well as rondejam parterre, it can be done with demi-plie, it can be done with relevé, and it can be done on the hors and on the dan. On the hors, your leg goes straight line towards your calves and open by doing a semicircle forward with your toes. And on the dan, is going to move small circle of your toes, almost touch your calves and open straight line, second position in the air. Like any other movement in ballet, always remember to keep a right position, hips level, square, facing forward, and ensure to keep a good turnout by engaging core muscles. If you like this video, don't hesitate on sharing with your friends. I'm pretty sure that you know someone out there that needs this video in their life. Also leave some comments down below. I would love to read all of your comments and feedback. In saying that, now go ahead and click your next video and let me know how it goes.